Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing my first Amazon's finds, and I feel like I have some treats for you guys because I do have some great Amazon finds, and what I'm going to do is just list them on the side because everything I don't have on hand. So what we're having is some barefoot fruscato. If you want to get yours, go ahead. Cheers. We just wanted a little something. So first off in my Amazon find is my lighter. And we're gonna light this girl right now. She's so accurate. Okay. And so that just sets a little ambiance. So yes, I will have this listed here. And this is one of my great Amazon finds. This amazing lighter. Cheers. I really would guzzle this. Okay, so this is one of my great Amazon finds. So this is a camera mount, and so it adjusts up. So if you need a little range, if you're at a concert, it's like a selfie stick, right? But also if you're at the restaurant and you want to vlog, it has the little legs on it, really cute. It has a grip and it holds, and then the actual mount on top actually adjusts. So you have to loosen up the little nozzle or screw on the side, and then you can adjust which way you want your mount to hold your phone. So this did not come with it, and so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to tighten this up from the side a little, and say I want to take a long range photo. Well, there you have it, a long range photo. So this is super handy. I'll have all of these things listed below. If you want to give yourself a little room to do that picture, you also can do that. Like say you were at a concert or somewhere, you want to get a little crowd surf. Super cool. Okay. And so this is one of my favorite Amazon finds, and again, it adjusts. So you can get the wide range if you want to get that wide shot for YouTube. Really, it will give you that wide shot that you can use, and you also can put it in front of you on a table. You can use it for the height, or you can shorten it. I love this. This is one of my faves. Tech is my fave. Like anything like tech, when I say tech, not the actual gadget itself, but anything like an accessory, I love Amazon for that. So my favorite of all, my fave, and I'm just going to take out the top of it, is my iconic MacBook Air case. So this is the first one I've had, and I got this like a year or so ago, and I just want you to see it has no scratches. I mean, I've already talked about this in another video, but I really wanted to get into detail on it. It's just super. You actually can put your finger through there. Sorry, I just had to show you. But yeah, so you can know what you're getting. But it's plastic, and it's faux leather skin. It's faux crocodile. It's faux crocodile skin. And I truly do love these cases because when I say durable, I've used this case for 1 year straight before I switched it out. And I've never had it chip or anything. Like there's no chipping on it. There's nothing on it. It's like the day I bought it. I love this case. And this one is in black. And so I had to get 2 of them. I didn't have to get 2. I just wanted another color. And this is my actual MacBook right here. And this one is in white. So I have the white one. And I also have the black one. Right? And so that you can see the white one a little better. It's really hard to tell what the white one is because of the lighting. But I'm going to bring it in close so you can see. So yeah, it's that faux crocodile skin. And it is absolutely, positively gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Like, anywhere I put this in my house, I want to take a picture. Anywhere I have it laid around, I want to take a picture of it. I love it. And I'll just put shots in because it's kind of not heavy, but I don't want to drop it. Okay, so moving on. Cheers. It's Saturday, you know? Okay, so next is this necklace. And I ordered this from Amazon. And I just ordered this so I can have like some sort of gaudy type necklace for like vlogs or like a video or something. I'm not really into wearing necklaces like this. Like, I literally have to be going somewhere to wear this somewhere. But I do like it. It's really pretty. It's heart all the way around. Match my sterling silver heart earrings. This is a fashion chain. The rest of my jewelry is sterling silver. But I do really, really, really like this chain. I just keep it in the bag because, you know, if you have any type of fashion jewelry, you do want to keep the dust and air off of it so that it can last long. But it's really, really pretty for like special occasions. If you want to wear something super, super, super girly, super gorgeous. I love it. Some of my other Amazon finds, and I'm going to just add these in. One is this gorgeous mirror. I really love this mirror a lot. It's very different, so gorgeous, and I love it. Okay, and the next thing that I cannot live without is my glasses that I got from Amazon with my glass straws. I drink smoothies, coffee, everything from these glasses, water. I just haven't had wine, I don't think. I think I've had wine. I really do. But I love these glasses. And so these are going to be listed down below with everything else. Another one of my faves is these gold spoons. Now, story with these spoons. I was very, this silverware, and it's gold, but it's silverware. But it's not the gold you believe. Like, this is one of the top quality silverware. When I tell you, if you look at my hands look like someone that is about 80. Okay, I'm half that age. I clean for a living. That's my thing. I clean, and I use bleach and Dawn and every other product. And I've been trying to use more gentle, friendly products lately because of how my hands are looking. And as an esthetician, I know better, but I really just don't care. Like, when you are one of those people that just love to clean, you're just gonna clean and you don't think about the repercussions of it. But I have bleached this silverware. I have cleaned this silverware, and this silverware hasn't tarnished, hasn't turned, it hasn't rusted. It hasn't nothing. When I tell you this is, if you don't go and get these gold spoons and forks and silverware that's gold, you're losing out. And I pray that the quality is as good as the ones that I got. And I will leave the link down below. So go grab you some of those. Because when I tell you, bleach, babes, you know what bleach does to everything. So these are the items that I spoke about. And there's more goodies at the end that I did not remember to put in the video, but I didn't want you guys to miss out on these great finds. I'm going to leave my link tree down below, and it's easy. You just click on it and it will take you to whichever item that you are interested in. I make a small commission, but it's barely anything, but I just want you guys to get these great finds. And I did order this robe, which I use all the time. Keeps me nice and warm, but it's super lightweight. And I also got matching headbands for it. And I love them. They're super cute, and they come in different colors. I also ordered a cell phone case for my sister, which looks amazing on her phone. And my accessories, which is my MacBook Air cover. You guys have to get this one, and they do come in other colors. And some other items that I know you guys will like. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay to the end so you can see everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.